everyone. Welcome to Talking Science. My name is Sophia and I'm currently a student at the Cooper Union. Today we'll be learning about civil engineers, forces, and bridges. So, what is an engineer?
I think engineers design cool things.
Exactly, those are some things engineers do. Engineers find a problem, create a solution, and fix it. So, what about civil engineers? What do they do?
Don't civil engineers make railroads?
That's right. Civil engineers make tunnels, bridges, skyscrapers, and highways. So, if you think about it, everything around us is designed and built by civil engineers, just like me. So, let's learn a little bit about bridges and forces. So, bridges have a lot of forces applied to them. But what is a force exactly?
Don't I have to use a force to open a door?
That's right. A force is a push or a pull. So let's apply a force to this table. Take your hands and push down on the table. Now we're applying a force on the table. When we apply a force on the table is pushing back on us, applying another force on us. Now that we know what a force is, what do you guys think some forces are that are applied on bridges?
People? Cars? What about the bridge?
Great, those are good examples. Civil engineers design bridges to withstand all of those forces. Here are some pictures of bridges. What do you notice? All of these bridges have a lot of triangles in the structure and the framework. When civil engineers design bridges, they like to use a lot of triangles. But why is that? Let's test it out. Using toothpicks and gumdrops, let's make one triangle and one square. Now we have our triangle. And our square. So, let's apply a force on each and see what happens. When I apply a force on the square changes shape. Let's see this again. As I apply the force, the square is bending and deforming, changing its shape. What happens with the triangle? Let's see. I'm applying the same force as the square on the triangle. Look, nothing's changing. The triangle is keeping its shape. When you apply a force to the square or rectangle, it's wobbly and unstable. When you apply a force to the top of the triangle, the two sides squeeze together and the bottom side pulls apart. The triangle doesn't bend because each side experiences only one force. Triangles are the strongest shape. That's why civil engineers use lots and lots of triangles when making their bridges. So, now it's time to test your science knowledge. Using toothpicks and gumdrops, design and build your own bridge.